Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Payments for tax-relevant transaction tagging, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To configure QuickBooks Payments for tax-relevant transaction tagging, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the settings icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, choose Payments. Click on the Edit icon next to the QuickBooks Payments section. Ensure that your account is connected properly by verifying your payment information. Next, locate the Tax Settings option within this section. Enable the Track Taxes on Your Sales feature if it's not already activated. After enabling, select your preferred tax rates from the provided list or create new tax rates as necessary. If you have specific income accounts for different tax categories, look for the Transaction Tagging feature and click on Edit. Here, you can assign tags to categories. Choose the relevant categories for each transaction type, such as sales tax or service tax. After assigning the necessary tags, click Save to apply your changes. Now, whenever you process a transaction, it will automatically include the relevant tax tags you've defined. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, conduct a test transaction and review the tagging. Finally, review your tax reports to ensure that transactions are tagged accurately for tax purposes. This will make your tax reporting process smoother and more organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.